All right, welcome back. I am going through this series of the 6 healing sounds, and today we're going to talk about the heart sound. And we often have a better relationship with the heart because it's right here, it's close to us. We think about it, it's more in the consciousness because of Valentine's Day, all of our love songs about the heart. So the virtue, the negative emotions that we want to get rid of with the heart, so things that can be causing maybe blockages in the heart energy, impatience, cruelty, feeling of unkindness, and so often we have these in our day-to-day life, at least in Western business culture. We want a quicker response on things, we want better communication, we get impatient, it's driving, causes people to lose their mind sometimes. You can do these in traffic, by the way. All right, I've done that for years, where you're driving, you just exhale the sound, think about a positive virtue, it's not dangerous. So the heart sound is H-A-A. So we will inhale up from the earth, we'll exhale the heart sound, and in the in-between breath, we'll think about the positive virtues of the heart, and we can visualize red there if you'd like. Positive virtues of the heart are love, kindness, compassion, patience. And so start to create that field around the heart of that energy as the cells of the heart start to multiply and then divide in their process. You'll be growing more of that love and patience and compassion. So to demonstrate this, I'll do it twice. We'll inhale. And I'm tilting to my right to open up this side because the heart sits at a tilt. After I exhale the heart sound, hands float back down, smile to the heart. And we'll do it one more time in this video. Hands float back down. Smile to the heart. Feelings of love and compassion, kindness. All right, you can do that 2 times. As many times as you want, 5 times, 6 times, 10 times, whatever you want to do to help the heart open up. Think of it blossoming like a flower does. So give that a shot. Let me know if you have questions.